Huawei has taken the foldable phone game to a whole new level with its groundbreaking Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate design, the world's first commercial triple-foldable phone. This cutting-edge device boasts an innovative design, blending premium aesthetics with unmatched functionality, signaling a significant leap in the evolution of foldable technology. The Mate X-T features a jaw-dropping 10.2-inch main display when fully unfolded, rivaling small tablets in screen real estate. Folded into 3 configurations, it offers versatility for multitasking or entertainment, a feat unmatched by competitors like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 or OnePlus Open. Its ultra-slim 3.6mm thickness in open mode showcases Huawei's commitment to blending design with engineering excellence. Under the hood, this marvel runs on Huawei's rumored Kirin 9010 chip, complemented by 16GB RAM and storage options up to 1TB. The phone operates on Harmony OS, delivering smooth app resizing and fluid navigation across its unique triple-display setup. However, its multitasking capabilities lag behind Samsung and OnePlus, allowing only 2 split apps and a third in slide-over mode. The camera setup on the Mate X-T is equally impressive, featuring a 50MP main camera with variable aperture, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a stunning 12MP telephoto lens with 5.5x optical zoom. The camera performance positions it among the best foldables for photography. Battery life is powered by a 5,600 mAh capacity, supported by rapid 66W wired and 50W wireless charging. While it seems sufficient for typical usage, the large display may demand frequent charging during heavy multitasking. Available only in China for now, this premium device comes with a hefty price tag of $2,800. Despite its high cost, the Mate X-T's combination of luxury design, functionality, and exclusivity has already generated immense interest, indicating a lucrative future for triple foldables. This phone marks a bold stride in smartphone innovation, but questions remain about its global availability and long-term practicality. Nevertheless, Huawei has successfully captured global attention, proving that the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate design is more than a phone, it's a statement of technological ambition. Thanks for tuning. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated.